So if you are watching this video right now, that means you have gained access to my 1 month uh sniper boat, which is the 10x boat, for free. Now this boat is going to be for free for the next 1 month, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to start using it. So ensure you follow me to the end so that you can be able to utilize this boat and use it to make money for yourself on a daily basis, right? So let's get to it, right? So on this video I'm going to show you quickly how to use it. And the first thing is, I'm going to give you a link like this. This is the boat link, right? You can see it here. This is the boat link, and this is it as well. So once you tap on it, it's going to direct you right to your Telegram account. Okay. So when you get there, the next thing you have to do is to just start the boat. So once you start the boat, you see what it said. Welcome to 100x, which is 10x sniper boat, the smartest semi-auto trading boat for IQ options OTC pairs, right? I scan markets, I read signals, I place trade, you sat back and watch the winds land. That's one of the beauty of this thing, right? So when I said, enter your access token to unlock the boat. Now, for you to unlock this boat is very, very simple, right? It's very, very simple. Number one is to first of all register, then you make a deposit. Please, we don't use demo here. I just wanted to understand that you don't use demo, right? You ensure that you make a deposit of at least $10, or let's say $15, for this bot to start working for you. So once you enter the access token, you are going to, I said, drop the access token below, so you can reach out to me, so I will give you the access token so that you can be able to put it there, right? So once you do that, once you put the access token, the next thing for you is to start trading for free for the next 1 month. So after 1 month, I'll be disconnecting you. So how do you get the access token? Quickly, let me get one from my side here. So once I did come in, so quickly, let me quickly get the access token, right? So I got one here already. So let me just type on it. Okay. Yeah, 5 years ZJ X8 LX. Right, yeah. Am I correct? Okay, after ZJ, there's another. Okay, I think this is it. Yeah. So you can see that they say token accepted, auto trading and all. Now let me tell you something. This thing actually has three methods that you can use to make money for yourself. Now you can use the signal method, whereby you copy signal, you go to your account and place the trade. This is signals, and you can see the second one, which is the AI trading. The AI trading is something that I will show you how to go about it, and the next one is the auto trading. Now, two are currently working. So once the auto trading started working, I'm going to show you how to go about it. And of course, if you want to join the 100x VIP group, you can reach out to me. This is for those that have at least $500 above. There's a way that we are going to do that you start making more, at least extra of your money in the next, let's say 10x of your capital in the next 10 days. 10x, that means you're raising about 500 to about 3,000 or $4,000. Yes, we have been doing it. And let me just show you our leaderboard. You can see these are the people that are making money. This person actually make money today, just today alone, $947, $855, just using the 10x, the AI trading, any of these things, right? That's what they are using to make this money. So you can also be part of these people that are making money here, right? So come on, let's go. So let's start with the signal. So once you tap on the signals, right, the next thing you have to do is you choose the pair you want to trade, right? You can see the demo signals. You can see said you get 22 signals per day with premium analysis, fund $10 for unlimited signals. So if you want to get more this thing, you can fund your account. I know that you already fund your account too. So just pick a signal here, which of the signals you want to be trading. And I pick GTP USD, then I pick 1 minute time frame, right? Then calculating. You can use this signal for your real account, right? You can see. So you're asked to trade this account in the next 1 minute. So you can see preparing, and this preparing will be reading back and back, right? So once you can see it remain 50 seconds, so you have between now and 50 seconds to go to your account and place this trade at exactly 9 o'clock. So let's just try and see what are we actually. We have to buy GDP USD OTC. So let's just go to GDP USD OTC quickly, if I can. Oh, it's already 9. Oh, so that's a miss for me, right? That was very, very slow. I was very, very slow on that trade. So that's it already gone. So anyway, that's by the way. Let's continue. So that's the first method. All you just have to do is keep picking signals from here, right? Just keep picking signals. Once this one is done, another one's going to come up. You can also tap on there's something that's going to tap on it. So you keep getting signals on a daily basis, and which is actually cool, right? You can see place your trade, your buy trade now. You can see enter now, place your buy trade now. You can see now, which is very, 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 very awesome, right? All right, so the second one, let's look at auto trading. The auto trading method is the bot trading for you automatically, and you can see that this bot actually requires $100. You see, the live mode requires $100. So for you to use this live mode, right, you need $100, right? So you can just tap on this or reach out to me for that. But if you want to trade with the auto god mode, you just tap on it, just tap on the auto god mode. So after that, then you customize your price. You don't have to use the price. I can see right on my balance I have 10,000 plus on it, so I just have to customize, right? After I made my customization, the next thing is, am I using Naira account? Yes, just tap on NGN Naira account. How much do you want to start with? Which is 1,000. Just tap on 1,000. That's a pick 3 assets for the both to trade. So just pick 3 assets. Pick GDP, JPY, Euro, USD, and just pick 3, right? Out of all these 3 pairs, then tap on done. Then what is the time frame you want to use? You can use 30 seconds, you can use 1 minute, you can use 5 minutes. But I use 1 minute most often. Then is it a single trade? This one is no recovery, which means smart recovery rounds, which is the number one is single trade, no recovery, which means that you are trading without no recovery, just a single trade. Maybe you are trading $1, that's the $1 will keep trading for you. Number 2 is the minimum, the medium size, which is 3 recovery, that is 3 mitigos. The first one does not require mitigos. The second one requires 3 mitigos. While the third one requires 6 mitigos. You just have to pick one of the 3. So I used to pick 3 mitigos. Then you tap on start trading. Right now the stuff is not working, right? Like I said, it's not working, but shortly it will start working. No, so the third one, which you can use, which I also use currently, is the AI trading, right? The AI trading is once you tap on it, right? That's what I really recommend you to start using, which is the AI trading, right? So for you to use the AI trading, you have to connect your account. So tap on connect account, you put your Gmail, ensure that the Gmail that you use is the account that you register with us, because once you use a different account, it will not work, right? Once you use a different account, it will not work. Okay. All right, so I just want to put my password now, so let me pause this video. All right, so you can see that I've put my password, and once you put your password, there will not be anything there already. You can see this place that's a connected Olamide price practice account $10,000, live account 10,484 naira, right? So you can watch this video later, but it's just the same video that you are watching now that is here too, right? So the next thing you have to do is to tap on menu, right? Once you tap on menu, then you now tap on the AI trading. You can see trade live / demo. So you just tap on trade live, right? Is your account a Naira account or USD? Just know that you know the type of account you're using. So my own is NGN, which is Naira. Then how much do you want to place? The amount you want to place. If you don't want to place any of the amount here, which is 500, 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, just type on custom, right? And tap the amount you want to place. Let's say you want to place 1.5. You know, there's no 1.5 there. So put 1.5 here, right? I think you are getting this thing. So once you put that, you wait. What is the time frame? Pick an expiring time frame. The time frame that you want to be using to trade. Just tap on 1 minute. For instance, you can tap on 30 seconds or 5 minutes as well, right? Then you see you are given two picks here, right? Oh yeah, now pick any of these two. Which one? You can see this one has a win rate. Euro JPY has a win rate of 94%. GDP JPY has a win rate of 83%. So I'm picking Euro JPY because of the highest rate of winning. So I just type up Euro JPY, and of course I do use 3 Mitigos all the time. So I pick on 3 Mitigos, right? Then I leave the account to start trading. So the account has initiated on my this thing now, on my account. So let's go to my account and check if the trade has commenced. Right, you can see the beauty of this AI trading. Don't worry, once the auto gold is ready, you will see the beauty of it. I'll be sharing a video on it as well. So let's quickly go to my account and see if the trade is on already. You can see that the trade is on, and you can see Euro JPY 1,500. You can see 1,500. So this, and I'm on a 1 minute time frame. Currently, the board is giving us some losses, so we wait for Mitigo. That's why I actually recommend you use Mitigo level so that you can be able to recover your losses fast. So we can see yesterday, this is what happened yesterday. I lost this, then won all of this. So I've not been trading for some while now, right? So okay, I think the boats eventually won. You can see it was a sweet direct win. You can see it here. Sweet direct win. Actually won later on, which is sweet. Our first trade for today was a win. You can see that, and look at it. Once you see 2,970 added to your balance, you can see the sweetening of this 10x vote. It will tell you once you win a trade. Then you can now tap here on a new opportunity. Then you trade live again. You just have to keep doing the same thing, right? Put the amount you want to trade, engine, put the amount you want to trade later, just like the way you did it the other time. Just keep doing it, and can place at least as many trades in a day, as many trades in a day, as many. You can see that's what I'm doing now. So let's see Euro JPY again has 96%. So I'll be trading Euro JPY again, right? Because it has staying on a 3 recovery rounds again, which is 3 Mitigos. Then allow the bot to trade itself. So let's go and check my account now. Let's see if this bot is trading already. We can see now the bot is already trading the same sell account again. Guys, you can see the beauty of this AI trading, right? So for the auto gold mode, that won't trade on itself. You don't have to do anything, but it's not live yet. So it will be live before the end of this week, before the end of next week, so that you can be able to start using it. So if you have any question for me, you can reach out to me. So after this one is done, whether you win this trade now, you still come aboard. It's going to show you here that okay, you've won the trade. Now tap on new opportunity, just like this one. You see, say 2,000 is a direct win. 2,000 and advantage to your balance. Just tap on new opportunity. Then you follow the prompt again to take a new boat and stuff, to take a new trade from the account. Or you can see smart recovery activated. It's going to activate itself. You don't have to do. Once you just tap on it, the AI will pick it. You, without you even doing, just follow this prompt. Just have to stay. You just stay on your account. You stay on your account and let it do its job by itself. So that's just one of the beauty of this bot, right? Now, if you want to get access to it, it's just for a month, and you can actually use it for your own good, right? So that's just it, guys. So if you have any questions concerning the bot, if you don't understand anything, kindly reach out to me quickly so I can be able to put you through on it. Yeah, so let's go make money then.